How to buy Amazon Prime membership. Now in order to buy Amazon Prime membership, just simply open your browser and in there open the website of primevideo.com. And once you open primevideo.com, log into your Amazon account at very first. If you don't have one, create one at first. And after that, tap to your profile icon and then you need to tap to this option of account and settings. And once you tap to account and settings, you will see the option of your membership, and below that you will see the option of sign up. Tap to sign up button, and once you tap in there, first thing that you need to do is to set up a payment method where you can add a credit or debit card. Simply tap into that and set up a payment method that you use. Then after adding the card, you need to add the address. Just simply fill out all of the address information from right here. Simply select your country and select your state, apartment, suite, region and all of those details. And then once you do all that, you can very easily purchase the desired subscription that you want to buy in Amazon Prime. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.